Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another final space character, and this time it's gonna be Avocado. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eyes first, and they're a little bit farther apart. So we can draw in, I'm gonna draw two lines like this. Kind of give him like a mean brow. And then on the bottom, we just gotta draw a circle. So we just gotta draw, it's almost like a half circle, a little bit more than a half circle. Okay, and then once we have that, we can draw in, I'm just gonna draw in two dots so we know where we are. Okay, so that's the eyeball. And then for the eyebrows, I'm just gonna go up, just kind of curve up in the corner here, and then just close it. Same thing here, just kind of slight mean brow. Alright, and then once we have that, we can just kind of come down in the middle here, draw one line, and that's going to be his nose. So we're going to draw in, come down, and just kind of draw a little triangle. And then right underneath for his mouth, I'm just going to give him a little bit of a frown since we're giving him a mean brow. Alright, and then from here, let's go out to the side so we can draw in the rest of his face. So just come on the eye here on the side. It's going to be 3 strands. So I'm going to draw one angle like this. 1, 2, and 3. Coming down all the way to the mouth area. Okay, so I'm going to start out here on the side. Draw 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so those are the first on the side. So now we can close off the chin area. So you can also draw in a line like this first on the bottom, just so that we can get some better spacing. And then once you draw on that, we're just gonna connect it to the side. Just draw a nice curve. Okay, and then come into the middle. There's gonna be different patches of fur. So we're gonna come into the middle. Just kind of go right in between the eye and the nose. So start here, go out and down. And then now to finish the head, we're gonna go up from here. So take this point, just kind of slant it up all the way to the top of his head, and then we're just gonna close it. And then for his ears, it's really easy. So we're just gonna slant up and then come down. Okay, so slant up. Come down and just kind of go all the way and connect to the side here. Okay, and then on the inside, we're just gonna draw in, just follow this angle here. Just draw a little triangle inside. Alright, so that's his head, and let's move on to his body. And it's actually his body is very blocky, so it's pretty easy. So for his neck, just gonna come down the side, and then I'm gonna come in toward the middle. Okay, and then his shoulders going out just a little bit. And then we're gonna pinch it down all the way down to his waist. Close it, and then add one section. And then extend this line here. This is gonna be his belt. And then add another section, rectangle. And then we just add in, let's just go ahead and add in the belt buckle for now. Alright, and then he's got the strap right across the chest. So just start on the corner. Let's go all the way across and start on this corner. Just kind of come all the way down. And then for some details, it's got 4 little lines here. That's pretty much it for his torso area. So now let's draw in his arm. And he's got some armor here. So start on the corner here. I'm just gonna draw a rectangle. Okay, Okay, so that's gonna be his armor, and then here's his armpit. For his arm, we're gonna come down and start about here. Come down and just close it. And then for his lower arm, it's just basically gonna be a rectangle. So I'm gonna extend the line slightly. And then for the details here, just kind of come in the middle here, just draw one line like this. And then this side's gonna go out and this one's gonna go in. So it's just a little detail in the armor. Alright, so let's draw on the other side before we draw on his hand. So same thing here on the side. Shoulder pad right here, draw one rectangle. Here's his armpit. And then his arm coming down. Close it. Extend the line slightly and then it's gonna be one long rectangle. And then here in the middle, just draw a line. This one goes out, this one goes in. And then for his hand is really easy. Just kind of come down here. That's gonna be his thumb, so just kind of hook it. And here's the back of the hand. And then for this one, we're just gonna curve around like that, and just come in and just kind of curve back into the thumb. So it's like a little hook. Okay, so come down, hook it up, and then here's the back. And then we're just gonna continue this. And then smooth it out and just connect that to the thumb. Alright, so those are his hands, and yeah, his legs are pretty easy too. So let's move down, and in the middle here, just kind of draw one line right underneath the belt. And then let's start out, okay, let's start on this side. I'll come down. And then once you reach down here, just close it with curve going this way. Okay, so same thing on this side, so come down. Close it with a curve going up. And then now we can draw in the knee pad, so we're just gonna continue this. Make the bottom a little bit sharper. And then for the details, we'll just add two little lines across. Alright, and then for his lower leg, it's really easy. Just come out on the side here. Slant out, and then come down. And then we're gonna draw one curve, start on the bottom and just kind of go out more on this side. Close it. A little bit of sew, and then let's add in two lines. And then one line in the middle here. Alright, so the other leg, and it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. So slant out. And I'm just gonna come down and I'm gonna use the other side for reference. And I'm gonna start down here, just kind of curve. Close it. One section, and the same thing here, two lines. Then one line in the middle here. Alright, and then lastly some details here. He's got a little strap here. Looks like he's holding some kind of weapon. Okay, and then on the side here, just like a little tube. And then lastly his tail, so we're just gonna draw as if it's coming in the back here. So just draw one curve like this, and then we're gonna continue that curve. Just gonna come down, and I'm just gonna turn it up. And then we're gonna go around and just go back, just give it some thickness. And that is it for this Avocato character from Final Space. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.